what we've got today is we're going to have to raise up the front beam. It's got some weld-on adjusters, but it is way too low. So anytime I'm driving, it's actually scraping the ground. Let's see if I can get it in here. I can get it viewed. But it's the adjuster bolt is actually scrubbing on the ground and has rubbed itself off. So from CIP1, I have ordered the replacement screw nut. And we're going to go ahead and pop that in so we can get it raised up. I think I need to bring it up about an inch, inch and a half, and then we'll be all good. So what I got to do now is get the jack under here, lift it up, get the front wheels off the ground, pull that bolt, and set it down and see how we like the ride height. So first thing we're going to need to do is set where our height is currently. So we are right at 22 1/4. So I'm going to try to bring it in to 23 1/4. Yeah, 22 1/4. This car is so low I can't get the jack under the car. So it is actually all the way back in the back at the jack point that I'm going to have to raise it. Can't get the jack to the beam. So let's get it started. Actually, I think that's going to be probably my target height right there. 23 1/2. So yeah, inch, inch and a quarter should be fine. So I'm going to set some jack stands under here just to keep it as protected as I can. I heard a bang. Double check. We're still okay. We're going to be using a 3/4 inch wrench for the new nut. Hopefully the other nut that's on there that came with the other weld-on adapter is going to be also a 3/4 inch, so we'll find out. As you can see, this is definitely ground off. So the Allen head that goes in here is going to be a 1/4 inch Allen. Go ahead and loosen up this one. I forgot to undo the locking nut, but that's okay because we're out of it now. But kind of a bad angle. I can't see what I'm doing, and I'm doing this left-handed, and I am not left-handed by any means. Not exactly sure how far I need to back this out. I just want to make sure that I give it plenty of room to make the adjustment. I think that should be enough. Just a hair more would make me happy. Okay, that's 2, let's 2.5.
actually. Maybe we can edit that out.
We're going to go ahead, loosen the top. We're going to go ahead and loosen the top. It appears that it is already pretty good. Space is definitely not your friend here. So I think we could actually probably lower this and get an idea of where we are. Oh, that bottom one's tightening up a little bit more now. All right, I think we can lower the car, see where she sits, and see if we need to make any more adjustments, which I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to. All right, so what we're gonna do is go ahead, spit them back on. So we're going to roll it so that it can reset just a little bit. The nice thing is we're not hitting anymore. Before it would hit just sitting still. All right, so we were at 22 1/4. We're now at, right about 23. So I was only able to get 3/4 inch. We move some vehicles, give this a test drive, and see if we still scrape.